All right, so we're gonna work on this rude boy today. I have no idea how to take these nuts off. Oh, with my fingers. I wonder if I can disassemble this. All right, so, and I don't know if it comes up on camera or not, but this light is on and this one's barely on. They're just frozen like this. Nothing's... So, I think we should just go through and check our power rails for all these chips. Yeah, these are all stuck. They all have like stupid voltages. I'm probing around. And it's just like 1, 0, 2, and that's this there shouldn't be anything happening here. Yeah, that's got like 12 volts on it. That's weird. Let's move over to this kid. It's the other one on the other side. I'm sure you figured that part out. So there's 12. And then 7. Yeah, there's 12 again. Ground. Ooh, these have ground on them. They're doing better. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. These are the two same... these are in parallel with their circuit. There's a little bit of crossover, but not that much. And yet, nothing. Yeah, that shouldn't have voltage. That shouldn't have voltage. These all have voltages on them, and they're not supposed to. And then we have this unifying piece here, this LM13700. But I think, I'm going to guess, this is part of the VCA circuit. That's part of the levels, you know? And the reason I assume this is because that's what I've done, is I've used an LM13700 as just a really lazy man's VSA, or VCA, VSA. So that's probably not busted. This 40 double... Or this 4066 though. What's up with you, Grand Funk Railroad? Okay, 12 like I thought. 1.7. I gotta kick this thing up. Na-na-na-na-na-na. 1.7, 1.6, 2, yeah, so, yeah, these are just, there's just these voltages on here. Alright. I'm going to replace... I'm going to replace this first. Wait, let's see. So, hold up. I've got a bunch of voltages here. Let's see what's on the other side. This guy here. What are we doing with this bit? Rude boy. What you got for me, rude boy? You got voltage 0, half, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0. See, like the one side seems to be in better shape. Yeah, like this one's giving me zeros. Alright, look at that. That'll work. BM. Yes, I'm a grown-ass man. Leave me alone. Why are you asking? And why did you put the word ass in all caps? No. Sounds logical to me. Brought no sound. Mio Arden. Alright, so we're gonna use the low melt soda, man. We're gonna take a low melt soda. We're gonna mix it in with this soda here. This is unleaded soda. It's very, very bad. We don't like it. I'm gonna take it out. Put the low melt in. Take the chip off. Then we're gonna clean it off. Then we're gonna put some nice leaded soda on there. A la mercy. A la mercy. Runtings. You just throw those in for no reason. And your crummy Caribbean Jamaican accent is in the bag, as they say. Alright, so we're gonna throw some flux on here. We're gonna take some low melt solder here. This is indium solder, and instead of bismuth, because I didn't know that, so that's what you're supposed to get. And apparently, the price of indium has gone down over the price of bismuth. So this is cheaper, and it's like 5 degrees lower, which I don't know if that makes a difference. Well, I hope these aren't glued on. I didn't think about that. Nope, not glued on. Oh, I bunked. Did I bend that pin? Oh, no, that's just a lead. Come on. There you go, little buddy. All right, good enough. Let's clean this up. And then we'll put a freshie on. Alright, that looks alright. I'll take this bad boy out, put him in the pile of I don't know, bad boys. And now we'll get a fresh one out. Let's see. All right, let's solder her in. I think I can do it without any more flux, maybe? I don't know. No way. Why am I trying to do things the hard way? I don't know. Glutton for punishment. Punishment gluttony. All right. I think I did that right. Okay, cool. Let's do a quick little scrubbing bubbles here. All right. Let's see that didn't do anything. Okay, so it's the same as before. Nothing's changed. My power just the connector wasn't in very tight. Okay, so one down, more to go. It's my issue that I need a tissue. Gross. Gross. Oops. Oh, well, I guess you're going to clean the iron too. Alright. Looks... Oh, wait. Let me clean this spot right here. A little bit I don't want here. Excellent. Let me do a little clean. that is the cleanest I've ever cleaned a board in my cleaning life as a professional cleaner. So, it's an excellent album by Peter Gabriel. It was going this way, right? I think so. Look how nice it, like, when it's all clean. Oh. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Perfect. All right. No change. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm like, but otherwise he built my grandma's house. He was a really smart dude. Oh. Is that the mask or is that the fiberglass? I think that's just the mask. That looks pretty shitty, don't it? I think it's okay, though. Where's the probe? Probe! Stuck a metal spoon into an electric outlet. When he returned from the emergency room, his parents were shocked to see him immediately try to experiment again with a wooden spoon this time. Yeah, I'm not worried about this. This is fine. It just looks bad. It was going this way, right? Or there. No, 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 no. Yeah. No, 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 no. And then we'll probe this real quick. Just to make sure we good. Are you kidding me? It's not making a connection? It... Okay, but I can't remember which one it was. Was it this one? Or was it this guy? I think it was this guy. Yeah. I'm not getting anything. Shit, I gotta take this off again. Because, this trace is broke. Alright, I gotta put indium on this again and remove it the same way I did before. My tweezers. Get this sumbitch nice and hot. Take this out here and just come right off. Yeah, that trace is broke. Cool. Where's the beep beep? Droney. Yeah, there you go. Oh, did you have a chance? I know you commented on it. Thank you again. Did you have a chance to... Wow. Wow. What are the chances that's the problem with this whole thing? What's the under over on that? Like 10? I don't know what under over means though, so I saw it on TV one time. I think we can use this into the wick here to clean this up. Maybe. Maybe not. Let me get some freshums. All right, so how do we want to repair this? There's a couple ways. We could do a pad strip. I'm kind of leaning towards the pad strip method. But it's such a short gap. We could put the part back in and run a wire to the via. I think I'm going to do the pad strips. I don't think we've done a pad strip in a while. And why not, right? Why not? Why not work on our pad strip skills? Now I got to find out where the hell I put them, though. They're in such a small container. Which size do I want? I think I'm going to do this size. Because it's the biggest one they have. Oh, it's the other side. Wish I had some flat ones. Oh, I do. Let's try that out. Jesus, let me clean my tweezers here. Uh-oh. Did I lose it? I think I did. Is that it? Yeah, there it is. Oh, wait, where'd it go? All right. This time I'm going to try not to lose that one. But no promises. Oh. Okay, so let's put this strip over here. We're gonna need to make a little line. Try to be careful and not wash our strip away. Let me probe it, make sure that I'm looking at I'm looking at 10 and not illusions. Beepy beep. All right. All right, this is probably going to be the most trickiest one I've done of one of these, so this will be interesting to see if it works out all right. Awesome. Let's test these points. Oh yeah, you gotta turn it on. Fucking details, man. All right. Did I? Oh no. Oh well. That's what they're for. I hope they don't. Hopefully I wipe it away and it doesn't cause like a short. Actually, it's on there pretty good. I'm being gentle, but not mega gentle. Get these little guys here. There you go, little buddies. All right. So I'm going to take some soda mask here and put a teeny tiny amount on this so that we can hold it in place. That was way more than a teeny amount. God damn it. Why does that always happen? Well, here, I'll cover this up. God, that's way, way too much. Damn it. Here. I'm going to try again. I don't know if it's going to work now that I've introduced alcohol into it, though. That's good enough. Let's UV it. Oh shit, where's my UV light? Oh, there it is. So, we'll take this guy. Boop. And give it a dose of ultraviolet. All right. Did it work? I think not. Oh yeah. And we can dry it up a little bit too with a little bit of hot air. Let me just do 180. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Hopefully it's not so fat that the package will still sit on there flush. It should be all right. Pot candy. Pot candy. Made it dandy, but liquor is quicker. Oh, fuck me. Damn it. Keep disconnecting my headphones. All right. How unflush is this going to sit? That's on my to-do list, and I'm not even doing that today. I got it, but I'm going to tell my buddy about it. I was like, hey, man, they opened up, and now it's like twice as big, and they have twice as many games now. He's like, oh, we should go. Wait, that hasn't happened yet. Oh, wait, there's like solder on top of here. All right. I don't know if I can probe test this. I think I can. I think I can shove it through the material here. And we'll do a quick test. And we'll see. Get this near my fucking mic. We good. Let's fucking go. Hype. Hey, let me check to make sure this isn't shorting with its neighbor. Nope. Awesome. Here, let me double bubble down here. Okay, cool. I'm satisfied with that. All right. Let's power the bench up and see. No smoke, please. Oh. One of the more important pins, ground, didn't get seated. I've got a load on both sides. It's about 0.5 amp. Holy crap, we made progress. That light being stuck on isn't stuck on anymore. And our load has gone down significantly. It was like at 100, and now we're at 40. Let's feed it a gate real quick and see if maybe we be lucky. Oh, fuck yeah! Who is your god now? Who? Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Oh, fuck! Yeah! No fucking way! No fucking way! I cannot believe that! Man, I don't even remember the person's name. I'm gonna have to look up all these old emails to try to figure out who this is. I remember they gave me some really yummy marshmallow chocolates from California. Okay, so good fucking news, guys. This side seems to be working. I mean, the gate circuitry is working. This side's still stuck. However, I'm pretty confident if we go and do the same thing on the other side, replace that 4066 and check all the pads and everything like that, I don't see why we shouldn't get the same results. Yeah, everything looks good here. All these traces look dope aesthetic. See, that's no, never. So I'm gonna plop this guy on and See what that does. All right. Let's plug in the fabled cable. I got this in nice and tight with that shh. We're gonna need this. Maybe, hopefully. So the load is really low. There we go. It's not in there all the way. Ah, so look at that. Oh, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's still wonky there on input on this side. What the fuck is this guy? Is this just an anchor? I think it is. 0.6. 0.6, yeah. So this part's all working. This is all good. These look fine. Oh, that's funny. It's all flipped around. And then eventually we should break into the part that feeds on here, which this is all working right now. But this side is not. It's still frozen. And I think it's further up on this circuit. But I had to pick a spot, so I'm just going to start here. Hey, McGroggins! Howdy. Howdy. All right, I got 0.05 volts, and I got 0.048, close enough. It's a little off, but there are these trimmers, too, so they could be giving me, like, why I got a slightly different voltage or whatever. 12 volts on the money, honey. Oh, yeah, 11.86, close enough. This should be ground. This will be 1186, so ground, and then oh, you don't say. I'm getting 7.5 volts. I'm getting 12 here. If this is doing the same thing as this, this should be looped. There's all these loops. I think the loop is on the underside of this. And either we have a bad trace, or zombies. I'm going to stop here because that's a big deal. That's part of the logic circuit. I don't know which part, but it's how the gating works. And so, like, when a gate goes high, beep, 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 or when the gate or trigger goes high, it activates these little, and they all kind of feed into each other. Or at least that's how it seems like that one is. That's how this one is. And so, if this isn't mirroring that, yeah. Let me check my measurement one more. No, I'm not needing to check my measurement. There's a fucking image. So this is giving me 7.59. It absolutely should not. Let me keep testing real quick. So that's not supposed to be that. Okay, that's a ground. Ground. This should be 12 positive. Big O power rail. That's good. What about this side over here? Oops. 0. Here, let me do more than one. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so the first three are zeros. Let's see if we get that over here. 0, 0, 0. 12 volts, 0, and you guessed it, 12. What's the top up here? I think that's, yeah, it's 12 too. All right. So we should have that as well. So we should have 12 up here, and we don't. We have 7 volts. And then we should have 12 here. We do. We should have ground here. We do. And we should have 12 here. So does this feed the voltage for this to move? Because it's matching this number. Yeah, this is 6. This is 6. What is this on this side? 7.5. If we look at the equivalent of that circuit, we should have 12. Yeah, I got 12. I got 12. I got 0 here. Oh, it's somewhere else anyway. So, hey Raven, I'm sorry. Had to get the babysitter. No worries, no worries. Yeah, and then it goes into here. Let's pull this chip off, because that's supposed to be a loop. These are supposed to be connected. So if the voltage is dropping by like almost a half, I want to know why, because that shouldn't be happening here. Now yeah. Look at that. Enhance. Enhance. Focus. Contrast. Vertical tilt. Look at that big fucking gap. That's not supposed to be that way. Holy shit. That's a big, big failure. Let's fix it, ladies and gentlemen. So here's our power connector. So weird. It's all upside down. Let me get rid of this solder. I've caused so many problems with just laying electronic circuit boards on top of solder, which is all conductive. Let's see if this works, and then if it does, we'll get the tester out and check it further. And no smoke, please. I've got a very low load. It's even Steven too. I kind of like that. All right. Let's take it one step further. Let's plug in the tester. So the tester's here, this little guy. He just generates a bunch of crap. This particular crap that we're going to have it generate is a gate signal. Oh, wait. Interesting. Let me restart the power here. All right. It's working. It's not working exactly the way it's supposed to. However, I think I might know what that is. Oops. Let me do a little probing on this. I just want to see what's coming out of this road boy right here. If it's voltage, we're in good shape. Because then, whatever this issue is, I think I know how to fix it. I think it's a logic thing. We just have to follow the traces again, because there's like this kind of... Here, let me slow this down. It looks like it's working, though. We'll do 5 seconds. The range is weird. And yeah, it's giving me... Oh, you know what? I might have to set the trimmers. Okay, but that's a positive voltage, and then this should be the negative... Yeah. Fucking A, guys. We fucking did it. I cannot believe that. And let's check this out. Let's do this. We'll do one signal. I can produce a clock on this other one that'll be fairly... It's going to flash really fast. But it should give us 2 different clock signals here. Man, it's so hard to see green on green. Yep. It's a really quick pulse. Maybe I can... No. Oh, wait, I can increase the pulse. So I can do 50 cycle. There we go. We did it, guys. We fucking fixed the Cwejman. Holy shit. $1,400 module. was totally going to be chucked in the trash by the client because no one would fix it. And then they said, do you want to try it, Sid? And I'm like, yeah, I'll give it a try. I don't know. There's not a lot there that can be broken. And fucking A, we did it. Holy crap. I cannot convey to you guys. I'm like trying not to brag. Oh, thank you. But I'm just like, I'm I'm proud of myself. We'll just put it that way. There you go. Pride's a bad thing, but in this instance, who cares? Wow.